What? What is this? It's dressed to me. I have no idea what it is. One of my friends that I met through Art Snacks did tell me that she was gonna send me something, but didn't expect it to be this big. I have literally like no clue what this is. I'm super excited. What the heck is this? Okay, I don't even know how I'm gonna open this. Like, let me like put it on my chair or something. Oh my gosh. Okay, I got another chair. Let's do like dual chair action. All right, let's angle this a little bit. All right. There we go. Okay, here's a little better. I did kind of run scissors across it, so I wouldn't have such difficulties opening it. Oh gosh. Okay, so what is this? Oh my gosh. Oh yeah, by the way, I put on makeup. I got makeup today, and I was playing, and it's so fun. Okay. Oh my god. So many things today. What is this? What is this? What is this? Sorry I keep saying that. I don't know what this is. Oh, a green screen. This is a green screen. Is this like lighting stuff? What is this? Oh my god. Okay, there's like a bunch of different sheets. Black, white, green. Oh my god, what is this? Sorry, I forgot to show my face. What is this? What's happening? Oh my god. Okay. Oh my god. Okay, where is the... I'm too excited. I can't even find the zipper. What is happening right now? What is this? Okay. What's happening? Oh my gosh. There's so much stuff in here. I don't even know. This feels like something. Oh. Oh my gosh. There's so many boxes. I don't know like what I should open on camera here as I'm looking for the paper. This is what I'm looking for. Oh my god. Okay, don't fall. You're important. Okay. Okay, it says softbox continuous lighting kit. Oh my gosh. Look at this. Look at that. That's what it is. That's what all this stuff is. Oh my gosh. Okay. So this is like super exciting, and I don't think I'm going to like unbox this entire thing on camera, but ooh, I'm pretty sure this is from my friend Becky, and if not, then I'll write somebody else's name in there, but there's no note, and she did tell me that there was not going to be a note, so I think this is from her, but I want to open it, but I'm also like, I don't know, maybe I should open it. I guess I don't know how to put it together and stuff. I feel like I'm going to be very confused. Well, let's just let's look at what's in here, 'cause I have no clue. I have no clue. Ooh. Okay. Oh my god, this is such like fancy, crazy stuff. Whoa! Look at that. Whoa! Oh my gosh. Okay, yeah, so I don't even know what this is. I'm going to have to read all about this. But this is very exciting because I have very poor lighting in my room. So, I don't know what this is. I'm just going to put this over here for now. So I can open a few other things and show you guys. I have no clue. I'm just like freaking out, man. Oh gosh. Oh, it's a light bulb. Oh, that's good. There's a light bulb in there, guys. I was a little concerned. Like, is there a light bulb? I need that. I want to see it. Because I'm like, I don't know. I really want to see it. Oh my gosh. Whoa. I didn't realize it was this kind of light bulb. What is happening? This is like crazy. What? This is like giant light bulb. It's like as big as, it's like bigger than my head. I don't want to break it, but look how big this light bulb is. Oh, I don't want to get makeup on it. Oh my god, what is it? Okay, I don't even know where this is going to go in my room, you guys. This is like, as big as my room is, like, that's my door, and that's, like, where the wall is. I draw on this desk right here. But I'm gonna figure it out. I don't know what this one is. What is it? Is it another light bulb? No. Oh, this is like a tripod standy. I'm not even opening it on camera. There we go. Oh my gosh. Okay, so it looks like a lot of these are like the same things, just more. So, wow. Okay, I'm glad that I opened up that light bulb on camera because I'm just like, what is this light, like this craziness? So yeah, it feels like, it's like more like tripod-y stuff and light stuff, so definitely gonna have to read this instruction booklet and figure out how to put everything together, but I am like so psyched. What even? I just got this like giant package from somebody without any like thank you. Can't cry, it's gonna mess up my makeup. Oh wow. Wow. This is awesome, and I am gonna figure out how to put this together ASAP. So, thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you so much, Becky, who I'm pretty sure this is from. If it's not, it's from somebody else. I'm sorry. I will say thank you to you again. But, yes. I'm just so, like, what even? Okay. I'm going to end the video now. So, thank you to everybody who watched this. Thank you to Becky especially. Thank you to all my patrons. Ezsithyn, Jay, Artemystik, Kim, Rhian, Jill, and Ashley. You guys are the bomb. Everybody's the bomb. I love everyone. Oh my god. Anyways, I hope you guys are having a great day, because I sure am. And I will see you guys later.